Hey guys, this is Sanika and welcome back to my channel Food Trends. Today we are going to make a very delicious winter recipe which is gajar ka halwa. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. So these are half kg of carrots and we are going to wash them properly. Now take out the skin and the hairs of the carrot with the help of a knife in this manner. So you can see we have removed all the dirt which was present on the carrot. Wash them again with clean water. Now with the help of a grater, we are going to grate them properly. So we have grated all the carrots properly. Let's go for the next step. In a pan, add 1 spoon of ghee. Now add all the grated carrot in it. Add the sugar to it. Mix it well and you can see that the carrot had started oozing out some water. Now add the milk and stir it properly. So it has become very watery. Now put a lid on it and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium to low flame till all the water gets soaked out. So after 10 minutes we have took off the lid. Some water have soaked out. Now add the khoya pieces. You can skip this part, but if you have khoya you can add it. It really adds a good flavor to the gajar ka halwa. So let's mix all this khoya in the halwa properly so that it doesn't leave any particles of khoya behind. Add the cardamom powder. It gives a nice aroma and a good flavor to the gajar ka halwa. Here we have taken some dry fruits such as raisins, almonds, cashews, pistachio and chopped it into pieces. Now we are going to add all these dry fruits in our halwa to make it look more delicious and yummy. So gajar ka halwa is one of the delicious Indian sweets which is generally made during winters. So the halwa has soaked almost all the water in it and it's kind of becoming dry. So here our gajar ka halwa is ready to serve. So let's serve this hot and delicious halwa in a bowl. Our delicious gajar ka halwa is ready. Do try this recipe at home and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. For more such recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out any new notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.